Today, we are covering a fastener widely used in sheet metal and fabrication for lightweight structures called pull-up studs. Very often, engineers choose pull-up studs when they need strong, reliable threads in thin materials that can't be tapped. These studs install from one side only, making them ideal for blind applications where the backside isn't accessible. Pull-up studs are installed using a hand or pneumatic rivet stud setter. The stud is threaded into the mandrel of the tool. The stud is then inserted into a pre-drilled hole, with the flange sitting flush on the material surface. The tool is activated either by squeezing the handles or using a pneumatic pull, drawing the stud upward and causing it to collapse behind the material. Once installed, they create a permanent external threaded post, perfect for mounting other components quickly and securely. Compared to welding, they eliminate heat distortion and simplify installation in sensitive or finished materials. From industrial manufacturing to transportation and beyond, engineers rely on pull-up studs for durability, speed, and clean professional assemblies. Need help choosing the right pull-up studs? Contact One Monroe today. Our team is ready to help.